'Twas the month after Christmas, and all through the land everyone was freezing, including the mouse. While many settle in for a long winter's nap, we're in the laboratory working on next year's craft. With RGBWs and addressables too, we'll work on new lighting and new products ×2. There'll be tombstones and candy canes and ghostly bikes too, reindeer and Christmas trees and apparitions that go boo. If DIY projects are something for you, like and subscribe, and follow us on Facebook too.